comfortable is in your home right now. Right this very moment where you sit, is it hot? How hot is it? Well, from Hunter, quiet for life, so it's a beautiful, quiet fan, but most importantly, it's a very efficient fan. And this is for those times where there's not even a breath of wind. Not even a hint of reprieve from that beating heat. 458847 is the item. It's a 14-inch oscillating fan. It's a stand fan with a remote, by the way. Think about that for $70. It's with a remote. It's got couple of different modes on here, which I really like. Obviously, it oscillates, meaning you can move back and forth. You can have it static, so it's pointed in one direction. So maybe it's you and not your partner that wants the fan on you if you sleep at night. But it's got 3 different modes, which I love. It's got a sleep mode, which you can actually set up between cutting itself off or switching itself off between 1 and 7 hours. You can determine that and program it to do that. So maybe you think, you know, when I first go to sleep at night, 3 or 4 hours in, I don't want it running all night, I can have it switched off. It'll do that for you. It's also got what's called a natural mode. And get this. This is, now they've been creating, Hunter have been creating fans for the late 1800s. So, and that's all they've done. They've only focused on fans, so they know what they're doing. But they've got this natural setting, so it creates literally the blowing of a breeze, a gorgeous evening breeze. That breeze that you only hope for when it's so hot, you can hear the house creaking, where you can feel every drop of sweat running down. I know what it's like. I know it's incredibly hot, and this is such an easy solution to it. It does come with a remote. And you notice here, I like this with Hunter, they've thought of everything. With the remote, they've actually got a little stand on the side, so you can actually put it there. But you've got the different modes. Obviously, it's got high, medium, low. That's all there as well. In fact, let me just check that. Yes, low, medium, high speeds. 1886 is when this first started. But then you've got the different modes that can set that up. And as I said, you've got that natural mode, which you've got to experience. So what it does is it actually increases and decreases the breeze. So I'm not talking, but if you need something that's really quite powerful, this is amazing. But one of the things, even on high speed, it's so quiet. $23.32 is your flex pay, free delivery. Again, ask the question, how comfortable is in your home right now? Now, I understand it's summertime. In the wintertime, this actually works really well for getting that movement of air around the house, because let's be honest, hot air rises, right? So when you got hot air all sitting up there in the ceiling, that doesn't help anybody. You can now angle this to actually direct that air and move that air around the room. So it's going to be used all season long. Another thing that I love about Hunter is that they've thought of everything, because one of the things with this type of fan is normally the cleaning is quite difficult. Really easy to do. You take this front off, you can get straight through to the fan itself and clean it all off. But for $69.95, it is a customer pick. It's a big time seller. In fact, I did the very first show with Art at the beginning of the season. Massive seller. If you missed out on it last time, or maybe you thought, you know what, I should have got that fan when I had the chance, now you can get it for less than $70 in your flex pay there of $23.32. In fact, there you go. So at this point in time, and if you consider the population of the US, we've got just over 1,000 units available. So get it at home, use it, see how great it is. Don't leave it in the box. Take it out. Assembly, just a few pieces, literally 3 pieces. Boom, 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 put it together, plug it in. It comes with a remote. You got the LCD screen there as well to show you what's going on. But you got those 3 modes, and you've got to experience the natural mode. It is absolutely amazing, because what it does is it increases and decreases the flow just like a natural breeze. You know what it's like. You don't just have a constant barrage of air. It's like on and off when there's a natural breeze. Creating that, having that oscillation, be able to create it. But the other thing is the distance gets through. So I'm going to show you some animation here of how they create this. Remember 1886 that Hunter have been doing the fans. Obviously this is feature rich when it comes to this particular model. And it is adjustable in height. I've probably got it, let me see here, at its lowest point. It weighs 11 pounds for someone asking about the weight of the item. And we have it in black and white. Is that still the case, Dan? Do we still have it in 2 colorways? We've only got black. We've only got black now remaining, so white is completely sold out. We've got fewer than 1,000 units remaining. So it is, well, I've got it at its lowest height here. What have we got here? I think the height goes up to 43 inches in height. It's going to be adjusted. Comes with a remote. It's going to be on 6 a.m. this morning, but you can go ahead and get it right now and make sure that you've actually got one of the final 1,000. Again, $23.32.